Okay, welcome back to the solution. We had to do some KPIs, and my solution at least is here. Yours might look a bit different, but doesn't matter that much. It in the end, the result is important, not how it looks like or how you get there. Um, so what I did is I wanted to make per store, so Stuttgart 1, Stuttgart 2, and so forth until Ludwigsburg 3, how much we sold per store and how much revenue we made. So for what I basically did is I take again the countIF function, go to data, and the store is basically here in column E. That's why we're here in column E from the first to the last row with data. Then we take B11, which is that one. This one we hold steady because it needs to be steady, but this one is variable, so next time it's B12 and so forth if we drag that down. And then we take I because in I there's the amount. That's basically it. And for the revenue, it's the same thing, and, but we use J because again here J is the revenue. And then if we drag it down, it's basically B22 and so forth. Here down there we just build the sum of those. And per region it's the same thing over. It's just a repetition, so you get used to using those functions because you have to use them quite often. That we now use D and the rest is steady because in D now the region is. And if with the control sums, we see that all three revenues are equal. So we didn't make a mistake, and now I'm making that a bit more beautiful. But basically, we're done, and that's that's it for this part of the video. And we see ourselves in part 4, and with the next exercise in part 4. See you then. Bye.